Hi, Seventh Earth Studios. Seventh Earth Studios is a clothing manufacturing company based in Pakistan, and I first found out about them through Instagram. I like to look at blanks, and so once one of their ads popped up, it never stopped and it popped up every single day. And based on the comments on their posts, it looks like a lot of other people get their ads as well. What sets Seventh Earth Studios apart? They say we only use 100% natural cotton, we don't cut corners or lie to you. A lot of the big names sneakily put polyester in their garments. Sneaky, sneaky. We let you seamlessly order in bulk, no wholesale account required, which is good. We have no minimum quantity requirements for blanks, and we only use ISO certified dyeing. So it looks like those are the main points that they like to pride themselves on, and I like that they are a wholesaler, also being able to provide to the end user, like customers like you and me. So on to the next. Before we get into the unboxing and review, we're just going to go over the term GSM for those that don't know. Knowing this term should help you understand a little bit more about what we're talking about as well as their product, and they really mention GSM a lot in their ads. So GSM stands for grams per square meter, which refers to the weight of a fabric. In general, the higher a fabric's GSM, the thicker and more hard wearing it's likely to be. So they talk about GSM a lot. Now you know it's basically the weight of the fabric. Back to the company, they mention how their products have a much higher GSM and they're considered luxury blanks, and those are the blanks that they supply to luxury companies or higher end companies that use their blanks to make sweaters and with higher GSM, and they charge you more for it. And so I picked up a hoodie from them, and based on Google, the standard GSM value for hoodies ranges from 280 to 340, whereas hoodies with the weight of 350 GSM or more are considered heavyweight. Heavyweight hoodies are slightly more expensive due to their higher quality, but they are also more durable than regular hoodies. So now that we know what GSM is, now that we know that Seventh Earth Studios prides themselves on luxury blanks and higher GSM products, we're gonna unbox it and see what it's all. I really can't talk today. It's like 12:20 a.m. in the morning, so let's just get into the unboxing. So I bought one hoodie, and I actually bought it from the ready to ship catalog, and I ordered it on Sunday morning, like at 1 a.m. and they're very specific on when they ship it out, because it looks like they ship most of their products from their factory in Pakistan to the US, I believe in North Carolina, and they do that maybe once a month. And so most of their stock is, I guess, on back order, like it doesn't ship until much later. But they do also have a category where they have products ready to go, ready to ship, and this hoodie was titled ship same day, but it actually shipped the next day. But it's here now, so let's unbox it. Also, it's really late, so my eye is red, and I've been waiting all day to unbox this, but just had a lot of stuff. But now we're here, and this is also the first time I've ever ordered a hoodie and it came in a box. It usually comes in a bag. Okay, there's a card. Says, thank you for your order. The beauty of every piece lies within its details. Tag us on Instagram with your styled pieces. Seventh Earth Studios, and avail $15 store credit if they see me tagging the products. Okay, care instructions. Our luxury fabric is not meant to be washed in a regular manner. Please make sure to implement the following care instructions in order to maintain the look of the fabric. Hand wash is recommended. If washing through machine, make sure it is set to cold and delicate. Okay, so they have a specific set of care instructions on how to take care of it. Oops, let's see if that'll focus. So it comes in this bag, and the receipt's like on it, so I can't take it off, but it's like a gift with the tissue paper. So here it is. So this is the SE500T charcoal stone wash. Ships same day, and actually shipped the next day. But I got this in a size small, and For reference, I'm 5'9", 150 pounds, or 151 now. Looks a little greenish to me. We'll see. Okay. All right. Okay. Feels like one of my other sweaters that I have from Flint and Tinder that I picked up from Huckberry in terms of the weight as well. But I really like that there are no drawstrings on this. I don't have a hoodie without a drawstring yet. So this will be the first. Here's the inside. And this is the color. This is supposed to be charcoal stone wash. And there's no filter on this video, but the lighting, it's like a kind of like little off-white here, and then we have the regular lamps in the back, but it looks like I'm looking at the monitor and the color that's showing on the monitor is pretty close, almost exactly the same as what you see in real life. So this is the charcoal stone wash. So a couple things about this sweater. 100% cotton, again, ultra luxury garments, ISO certified dye. This one is 500 GSM, give or take 10, average weight 2.3 pounds. You can feel it. Well, I can't, it's hard for me to know exactly 2.3 pounds, but there's a decent weight to it. I mean, feels like a normal hoodie. Pre-shrunk and washed. For pure cotton, always keep an additional 3 to 4% margin for additional shrinkage. Pre-shrunk, so that's always nice. No branding, which is good. Ribbed cuffs. YKK zipper, this one is not a zipper. Drop shoulder and cropped fits. Okay, we'll see that. Oversized fit, and proudly designed and made in Pakistan. All right, let's get this hoodie on. I'm gonna tuck in my shirt because this is an oversized shirt and you guys could really see where it falls on the waist and stuff. The video is cropped, but that's okay. I'm 5'9", 150 pounds. This is where my waist is, right here, my hip bone. This is how far it comes down. So they said it's cropped. Put the mic down so you can see. As you can see, it comes almost perfectly down on the sleeves where my wrist is. Okay. All right. And the drop shoulder, you could see where the sleeves begin. And then the hood size. Ooh. It's the hood size. This is the hood size. Okay. How's that? I'm like squatting right now. Not bad. The hood, the kangaroo pocket, front pocket. It feels standard. Actually feels kind of high because it's cropped, and I like the clean aesthetic of no drawstring. I'm like awkwardly squatting. Here it is. It feels like a normal sweater. It really feels super similar to the Huckberry Flint and Tinder hoodie that I have. I did a review on that, and I'll link that in the corner of this video as well as in the description. It feels very similar, and their hoodies are about, I think the Flint and Tinders maybe $20-$30 more, but that one does have a drawstring. But in terms of like I should probably look up the GSM on that, but the quality feels the same. I do like the drop shoulder and the fit of it. Again, 5'9", 150 pounds, and it fits nicely. It's not restricting at all. There isn't that much room in the sleeve area. It's about that much, which almost feels true to size for a small. Yeah, you know what? It feels true to size. That's just easier said. Small, 150 pounds, true to size. It's just the cut is different. You feel, they claim it's an oversized, they say it's an oversized fit, but I mean, I guess there's like a little bit more room here. I mean, look at the cut. But for the most part, it feels true to size. Just shorter here as well. And I'm sitting down, and you could already see, like, if you're wearing a shirt, it's gonna show underneath. Which makes sense because it's cropped. Yeah, and it sits. Again, the rib cuff here as well, or the rib cuff and the hem. Also, really, it's not tight on my stomach, but it will kind of stay in place. As you could see, like that. I was just sitting down, so I pull it down. Now I'm stretching it. Put my arms up. It's like that. It's not really an issue for me. I don't really mind. But just, that's how this one fits. Now, after seeing all those Instagram ads of this company online, do I feel like this hoodie is worth it? And honestly, I think I do, because the pricing is competitive. Also, there are other blanks that I've seen from other companies that almost look identical to this. Not this exact style, but like, the oversized, drop shoulder, the cropped, the higher GSM, and their markup is like in the 3 digits. And so, I mean, this definitely feels much higher in quality than like a $20, $30 Amazon blank hoodie. And if you're interested in 7th Earth Studios, check out their website. I'll link that in the description. And also, if you want to purchase, I also have a promo code. It's TOPHER, T-O-P-H-E-R, and that'll give you 10% off. It is an affiliate code, so I get a little commission off of that, which helps the channel. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I mentioned a lot about the Huckberry Flint and Tinder hoodie, and I did a review on that. And so I'll link that in the description as well as the corner of this video. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.